I believe in video games. Video games have given me happiness. And I raised my daughter to be a gamer. I gave her freedom, but taught her never to dishonor her family. No elf bowling. No cluster's revenge. She found a boyfriend, not a gamer. She invited him to my house to play some video games. I did not protest. But he say he no like the video games. He want to play the board games. He brought Clue into my house. Not even digital, just Clue. She said no. She kept her honor. So I suggested them an old game, one they had never played before. They play the duck hunt. After 3 levels, she missed a duck. Only one. And the dog, he came out of the grass and laughed at her. She tried playing a few more levels. The same thing. Her spirit was broken by a dog. The boy tried. The same thing. They were laughed at by an animal. They could not weep because of the embarrassment. But I wept. Why did I weep? Because I remember when I first encountered that mongrel. Sorry. Like a good gamer, I don't look for the cheat codes or the walkthroughs. I mean, how hard is that? You shoot the damn duck! I call my local GameStop. They say, what can we do? It came out in 1984. I stand there like a fool, enraged. And the dog, he walk away. And that is when I knew I had to come to you.
Why did you go to GameStop? Why did you speak to me first?
What do you want of me? Tell me anything. Only do what I beg of you.
And what is that? That I cannot do.
I give you anything you ask.
You've played video games for many years, and yet this is the first time you've come to the console for help. I can't remember the last time you invited me to your home for a plate of mushrooms, even though Princess Peach is the godmother to your only child. But let's be frank here, you never wanted my console. Thought it was outdated.
I wanted an Xbox.
I understand. You found paradise in video games, they brought you happiness, your game manuals and walkthroughs and cheat codes to help you. You don't need a friend like me. But now you come to me and say, GodMario, give me justice. But you don't ask with respect. You don't ask for friendship. You don't even think to call me Godfather. Instead, you come to me on the day of Yoshi and Toad's wedding. You ask me to do murder.
I ask you for justice.
That is not justice. Your daughter and her boyfriend will play again.
Then make him suffer, as we all have suffered. How many Koopa coins must I pay you?
Atari. What have I ever done to make you treat me so disrespectfully? If you'd come to me in friendship, this mutt who ruined your family would be suffering this very day. And if perchance an honest gamer like yourself should make enemies, then they would become my enemies. And then I would fear you.
Be my friend? Godfather?
But someday, and that may never come, I may call upon you to be of service for me. But until that day, practice your Space Invaders, maybe some Pong, and a little Pitfall for me. And accept this justice as a sign of your shame towards way. Grazie. Grazie. Give this to Luigi. Tell him I want reliable people. People aren't gonna get carried away. I mean, we're not first-person shooters. Let's spend with this 8-bit game of things.
Your stupid minds! Stupid! Stupid!